This Canva masking technique will make your posters look insane. So let's start with it. So I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas, and I will go to uploads, and as you can see I will use this image here, and after that I will just bring it right here and make it slightly bigger. Okay, like this. And after that I will click on edit, go to tools and click on see all, and after that click on magic expand, click on whole page and click on expand. Okay, so let's keep the first one only and click on done, and after that I will go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write ranch, and after that go to font here and scroll down to find Anton, and after that just make it bigger. Okay, like this, and after that I will just press Ctrl plus X in the keyboard and go to add page and add it here, and after that I will just download both the pages, and for that I will go to share, click on download, and I will download individually both the pages. So make sure the file type is in PNG, and first I will select the page 1, click on download, and I will follow the same process for page 2 also. Now I will click on add page, and I will just re-upload both the designs. And I will just separate both of them here and scroll down to apps here and click on search. Here I will write blend and click on blend image, and for the bottom layer I will use this text layer, click on use selected image, and for the top layer I will use this one, click on use selected image. And as you can see the text is created, but many more works and still needed to be done, so stay with me. And after that click on add page and click on add to design and make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and after that I will just go to the first page and I will click on it, click on Ctrl plus C to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it here. Okay, and after that I will just duplicate it and place it in the same proportion here, and this time in the duplicated layer I will click on BG remover to remove the background. So as you can see the background is removed. So I will just crop it from here, from both the sides. Okay, and after that I will just select the layer, the first layer which I have not used the BG remover, and I will just crop it till the text here, and I will keep it here. But as you can see the character is not quite visible and it is quite dark this side. So for that I will go to edit here, click on adjust, increase the brightness, scroll down, increase the highlights, increase the shadows so that the shadows are a bit lighter here, so increase it slightly more and increase slightly the brightness. And now as you can see the character is quite visible, and now as you can see the work is done, and this is how you can make this masking effect and create beautiful posters like this using Canva. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.